Good morning to all. Welcome back to our channel. The subject is maths. X plus x is equal to 2x. X minus x is equal to 0. X into x is equal to x square. X divided by x is equal to 1. 4 into x is equal to 4x. 4 into x square is equal to 4x square. 4x plus 2x is equal to 6x. 4x minus 2x is equal to 2x. 4x square minus 2x square is equal to 2x square. 4x square minus 2x square is equal to 2x. 4x cube minus 2x cube is equal to 2x cube. S square into s raised to 3 is equal to s raised to 2 plus 3 is equal to s raised to 5. We use the formula s raised to m into s raised to n is equal to s raised to m plus n. The next question, s raised to 2 all raised to 3. We get the answer s raised to 2 into 3 s raised to 6. The formula is used in this question. S raised to m raised to n is equal to s raised to mn. S raised to 0 is equal to 1. These problems are study. ഇതുപോലുള്ള പ്രോബ്ലംസ് കിട്ടുന്നതിനും ഇതുപോലത്തെ മാത്സിൻ്റെ ട്രിക്സ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കിട്ടാനും വേണ്ടി ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുകയും ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുകയും ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക് യു all.